Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus smartphone review. Highlights. Firstly, the device brings a 6.67-inch OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support. Following this, it's worth noting that you are getting Android 13 OS-based MIUI 14 custom skin. As for the hardware section, the phone is powered by MediaTek Montana 6886, Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset. Alongside this, a decent 200 megapixels triple camera setup with a 16 megapixels selfie camera on this device. Last but not least, a LiPo 5000 mAh battery will be fueled by 120W wired charging support. Design and display. Redmi accomplished great feat by producing fabulous design layouts. It's one of the core specialties that you will generally notice in this brand of smartphone. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus also follows those footsteps and offers 4 impressive color options: violet, black, camel green, and white. You can choose any color variant according to your desire. On the other hand, you are getting a curved 6.67-inch OLED display at the front, which can produce 1220 by 2712 pixel resolution. Furthermore, the display is blessed with a 120Hz refresh rate for a smooth user experience. The device can push the limits up to 1800 nits, which is the peak brightness. Through this, the device can thoroughly support you in the daylight. On the same page, you are also getting the cutting-edge Corning Gorilla Glass virus protection for the front display with IP68 resistant certification. At the first impression, it looks pretty helpful for the users. As for the security factors, the company implemented an under-display fingerprint scanner with optical Face ID support. Overall, the design layout of this phone is quite fascinating. Memory and internal. The performance department of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is exceptional because it comes with a 4nm MediaTek Montana 6886, Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset, which has octa-core and can produce cloaking speeds of up to 2 x 2.8 GHz using 2 primary cores. Through this configuration, it's become smoother to handle daily activities. Alongside this, the gaming aspect will also improve to a certain extent. Alongside the Dimensity 7200 Ultra chipset, the phone is powered by Mali G610 MCoulombs 4 that precisely handles the visuals so that you can indulge in mesmerizing gameplay. It also grants better graphics with stable performance, which is quite rare to see in the mid-range smartphone. Naturally, the customization perks offered by the MIUI custom interface bring joy since you aren't limited to the standard features. Besides this, you are getting the Android 13 OS, and the company also provides 3 years of operating system updates. Now, let's talk about the storage capabilities of this phone. In particular, if you are looking for decent storage and RAM combined, go with the 256GB, 12GB variant. But at the same time, the phone also has a 512GB UFS 3.1 storage variety, which will be accompanied by 12GB to 16GB RAM. You can explore these options according to your requirements. Camera. As for the camera section, you are getting a triple camera setup on the back panel. First, you have the 200 megapixels primary lens, which is responsible for taking all of your photos inside the camera app. It produces high-quality results using the AI software implemented by the MIUI. Moreover, you will also obtain better colors, contrast, and hue with accurate details in each image. Apart from the daylight picture quality, the night mode photos aren't disappointing either. The white balance might be off sometimes, which might give an unrealistic whitewash image that lacks natural colors. However, the overall photo quality with the primary sensor is quite good. On the other hand, recording 4K videos up to 30 FPS is possible from the main camera setup. Plus, the phone also includes an 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixels macro lens. Both of them add more value to immersive photography. Following this, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus tags along with a 16 megapixels selfie lens, which can render up to 1080p resolution videos at 60 FPS max. In terms of photography, the camera app handles the rest. You can expect decent results in the daylight as well as in low light. Battery and others. Starting with the battery capacity, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus offers a LiPo 5000 mAh battery configuration. Through this, the users can obtain up to 6+ hours of screen time in the regular condition and 2+ hours for gameplay. The company also delivers 120W fast charging, including PD 3.0 support. Not only that, the device would be refueled in less than 25 minutes. Indeed, there are lots of exciting features offered by this phone. But stereo speakers are loud and produce crisp audio. Besides this, the app equips the necessary sensors, but the NFC sensor availability depends on the region. Lastly, let's check out the price point for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. The starting cost would be around $300, $24,990.